Hello YouTubers. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick fix on the gas fuel door not popping open like it's supposed to. So the condition is my niece pulls the lever, it does not pop the thing. So she has to put a string down the back and pull it as she's pulling the handle. Instead, we're going to fix the problem. So this is a part right here. I'll put it in the description below. It goes like this. Goes behind this. Behind. Collapses onto the piece like that. And it will fit behind this. Get some push like that. Now we got some tension on the door. So now let's pop. Perfect. No more fighting the problem. Let's just fix it and be done with it. Anyway, YouTubers, quick little video, nothing to it. If you like the video, like the video.